Hi, it's Wendy Gundry. One of the common questions I hear from buyers right now is, should I buy a home today? The question is valid, especially with everything people are hearing about interest rates, prices, and the market in general. The truth is, it isn't a one-size-fits-all answer, but there's a better way to think about the decision. A lot of buyers feel like they're waiting for the perfect moment, the perfect rate, the perfect price, the perfect market. But real estate decisions usually work better when they're based on your lifestyle, your timeline, and your comfort level, not the headlines. One thing buyers don't always consider is that waiting has a cost too. Rent, time, missed opportunities, and that adds up. It doesn't mean buying right now is always the right move, but it does mean waiting should be a conscious decision, not just a default. Another thing to think about is flexibility. Some buyers feel more comfortable buying when they have more choices, even if rates are higher. Others prefer fewer choices, but lower monthly payments. Neither approach is wrong. It just depends on what matters most to you. What I always encourage buyers to do is focus on what they can control. Understanding your budget, your payment, your comfort level, and how long you plan to stay in the home matters, more than trying to time the market perfectly. Buying a home is rarely about catching the bottom or the top. It's about making a decision that fits your life right now and still makes sense long term. If buying is on your radar, education is one of the best first steps you can take. The more you understand your options, the easier the decision becomes. If you have questions about buying or timing, feel free to leave a comment. And if you want more videos like this, make sure to hit subscribe. I'm happy to sit down and talk about these issues with you, and let's get a game plan. My name is Wendy Gundry, RE/MAX of Santa Clarita. I hope you're having a great day.